Based on the Philippine Statistic Authority, it has 71% to 78% of students who are in a relationship, and romantic relationship greatly affects the academic performance of the student. A pleasant day to our dear panelists, faculty staff, and teachers of Golden Fate Academy. I am Miss Costello, together with my assistant, Mr. Balingit, prepared a research thesis titled "A Study on the Relationship Between Relationship Satisfaction and General Academic Efficacy Among GFA Senior High School Students," along with the Group 5. And for the Chapter 1,
Let's jump into the Chapter 1 Introduction, wherein it discusses the background of the study, academic efficacy, which involves students' performance based on their effort and strategies, relationship satisfaction, influenced by personal feelings and play a role in decision making, and romantic relationship with their emotional connection shows high satisfaction levels among students.
For the statement of the problem, the primary goal of this study is to understand the relationship between relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy among students at GFA Senior High School by answering the following research question. The study aims to provide insight into how relationship impact academic performance among high school students.
now for the significance of the study, here are the following people that will be benefit, which are the students, the parents, the teachers, and also for the future researchers. Here is able to gain them a knowledge or an information about the relationship satisfaction to the students' academic efficacy. Now for the scope and the limitations.
The researchers limited this study specifically inside the GFA. Thus, as researchers only included the senior high school students who are in a relationship and excluded those who are not. By that, this will ensure that our study will be straightforward, focused, and precise.
Moving on to the operational definition of terms, these are the variables that will be defined and are included in a research paper. Here are the following: academic efficacy, academic behaviors, relationship satisfaction, romantic relationship. It is a way to can develop a positive and romantic mutual understanding that reciprocates any kind of love to each other. And for the last term is self-efficacy. Then what's for our chapter 2 RL?
For the chapter 2 review of related literature, it has the following research papers that been discussed. This will enable them to gain knowledge and also for how relationship satisfaction and general academic efficacy greatly affects the correlates with the research study and how they influence in the PowerPoint. And for the research gap,
Existing research hasn't fully explored how relationship satisfaction impacts academic efficacy. Our study aims to fill this gap by examining GFA senior high school student linking relationship satisfaction to academic
For Chapter
performance.
4 methodology, this study used correlational research design under associational research. Now, moving forward to our variables, it uses two, which is general academic efficacy and relationship satisfaction.
For this research instrument of this study uses Happy School to measure students' confidence ability to overcome academic challenges.
The units of analysis of this study are only limited to grade 11 and grade 12 senior high school students of batch 2023 to 2024.
For data gathering, data was collected through online surveys via Google Forms.
In this research study, to summarize the result, it shows that there is a positive significant relationship between the relationship satisfaction and the general academic efficacy among the students.
chapter 5 results.
So in this chapter, the results gather the demographic, which are the grade level, age, family status, relationship status, and sex.
For analysis, the study used Spearman's law to analyze the relationship. It indicates a strong positive correlation between relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy. When broken down by biological sex, both male and female, it has a positive relationship. Regarding relationship status, Students in a relationship showed a very small, non-significant positive relationship.
Now onto our discussions. So first of all, demographic profile. The age of our respondents is 16 to 18 years old majority. Our strands consist of STEM, ABM, UMS, ICT, and tourism, with the STEM having 38.1% students, 30.8% are the students who are in a relationship. Consists both grade level of 11 and 12. Next. What is our average score? Our average score is 16.02 with above average. In relationship satisfaction, we have 20.06 average. Now, how does the relationship of student satisfaction affect their academic efficacy? It has a positive interpersonal relationship among students significantly. That enhances their academic self-efficacy. Now, on to our conclusion and recommendation. Onto our conclusion. The study shows strong link between relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy. It is supported by Sternberg's theory of love and Bandura's self-efficacy theory, which emphasizes the importance of school relationships for academic success.
As for recommendations, researchers suggest a healthy and supportive relationship for the students through the use of parents and the community.
In conclusion, the research aims to explore how relationship satisfaction influences academic efficacy among GFA SHS students. Once again, we're Group 5 researchers from Grade 11 Belarus. Have a great future ahead.